Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Skrill. Okay, so let's go into the PayPal mobile application here and make sure that you are using updated version of PayPal, right? And let me tell you, there is no direct way to actually transfer money from PayPal to Skrill, right? The only possible way to do so are a couple of methods that we are going to explore in today's video. First of all, before we get into anything technical, I would like to tell you that if you find someone, a friend or someone that actually want credit in PayPal and they have Skrill account, that will be the best way for you to receive the best rate. As you can exchange for the friend 1014 and both of you will be happy with the exchange. Otherwise, I'm going to show you the method that we have under our hand. And first method to actually withdraw money from PayPal to your credit card. To do so, all you have to do, just click on the send, okay? And after that, you have to sync your contacts. And the very first thing, you can just type name or the email to whom you want to send the payment, right? And after that, you can also click on the send now here, and you will get the same function where you can do it, right? Basically, as I said, you can transfer from your PayPal balance to your bank account, or you can transfer using a specific bank, as you can see here. That is basically other method is to use a website or the third party. In the third parties, you can find people that are interested in buying your PayPal balance and will transfer you a Skrill balance. But for a fee, keep in mind that the fee could be actually get 10 or $20 high. That is a bit high, right? So though basically it is for this video. I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.